Can you clean newly installed kitchens and bathrooms?
Absolutely. We specialize in detailed cleaning of brand new kitchens and bathrooms, ensuring they are dust-free, streak-free, and safe for immediate use. In kitchens, we clean all cabinetry inside and out, bench tops, splashbacks, and tapware, ovens, range hoods, stove tops, external wipe, drawers, handles, and soft close tracks, floors and grout lines. In bathrooms, we clean tiles and grout, including haze removal, vanities, mirrors, shaving cabinets and shelves, tapware, shower screens and towel rails, baths and toilets, floors, drains and corners often missed in a regular clean newly installed fixtures often attract construction dust, fingerprints, silicone residue and packaging glue. Our team uses non-abrasive, surface-safe methods to leave your wet areas pristine, shining and ready to enjoy.